to remove ignore limit on screen time. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings on your device. In settings, scroll down, go to apps and notifications. Here, click on screen time. Then, click on the app that you want to ignore limit. Then, go to app timer and set the timer again. After that, add your code if it shows you. And if there is option, simply turn on block ignore limit. And after you turn on block ignore limit, the remove ignore limit won't show off. And only after the timer is done, you will be able to use the app. In my case, that option is not available, but you will find it in here. And this is how to remove ignore limit on screen time. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.